Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this candy cane and grow garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the candy cane looks like, and before we check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you how you can get the candy cane seed. So guys, you need to go to the Christmas shop and you will be able to buy the candy cane seed from here. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 150k shekels, and I'm going to plant the seed in my garden. And for your information guys, this is not multi-harvest plant, so you can only harvest this plant one time or once. After that, the candy cane of course will gone. And now let's check the base value of the candy cane. I'm going to sell it guys. Okay, how much this is worth? Oh, okay, it's around 135k shekels, and the seed is 150k shekels. I think it's worth, and it's cool. But yeah, you can only harvest this plant once. And okay guys, that's all about the candy cane and grow garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.